We had a customer bring in a car to get the front bumper where they had bumped into like an ice snow pile, and it messed up the front end of the car here, as you can see. So we ordered a new bumper cover for it, factory OEM, took the old cover off. These are plastic bumpers. Plastic is made from petroleum. It's got a little bit of oils in it. You gotta neutralize the oil, get it off of there. Scuff stuff, you take this and you're gonna sand it. You sand it like this. Make sure you get the edges really, really good.
Hi, I'm Frank Nocello from Ohio Tech. Recently, we painted a bumper for a Hyundai Sonata. I'm gonna walk you basically through the steps of how we got to getting the bumper and getting it out the door. So the first thing that is involved with painting a bumper is first you have to find out what plastics you're working with. We got a pure plastic with no coating over it. Our next step was to take a gray scuff pad and some scuffing paste. Scuff that all down, dried off. After that, it's ready to go into the paint refinishing process.
We took the new cover, we prepped it, primed it, and got it ready for color coat, and we color coated it, clear coated it. See all that stuff that's in there? All this stuff has to come out. It's got little Phillips screws in it. You got to buzz all them little screws out, and then we'll drill the rivets out and put new rivets in it.
When we got the bumper, OEM bumpers come as just the bumper themselves, no assembly parts with them, no grills, no lights, nothing like that. So basically what we have to do is we have to take all the accessories off the old bumper and swap them onto the new bumper once they're painted and throw it back on the car.
We put it all back together. It came out looking good. We didn't have a problem with color match. The color matched up really, really nice. Once it was on the car, like I said, we wet sanded it and buffed it, and we polished the rest of the car and got the car ready to deliver to the customer. We're going to back it up to the drain. We're going to get the hose, and we're going to wash it with some soap and water, get it clean. Then we're going to dry it off. Then we're going to go over it with some spray polish and polish it all up nice, and then back it outside, and it's done.